guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are in Harare and it is 6 a.m. It's really hot outside. I'm just going to be doing my hair and then we're going to head out to town using ice. Give you a house tour. So this is one of the rooms. The cupboard broke last night. Very cheap. Very cheap. Oh. Yeah. No, and then mama, she come to turn out 2 minutes. Hey guys, this is my last Zoom video and I just had to speak to y'all because I haven't been like very interactive in the previous videos. But basically the trip was just to visit family and I'm so excited because I got a chance to actually explore Zim. The last time I was there was 2022 and I had to do my papers, but now I was able to actually see the family, visit places like waterfalls, Borodale, town in itself, and yeah, it's amazing. The sun, oh my gosh, did you see the sun keys? It's different. It's very different, but it's really interesting, like the way that you take my combi and it's like 50 cents only, which is like 10 rand, and I got to taste some foods, and it's beautiful. I just keep saying wow, 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 because I couldn't believe it. It's like growing up in Cape Town, obviously people are telling you things like, oh, Zim looks like this or Zim is bad, but shame. Would I go back? Definitely. But we had got to town because we had to get something to eat and do a little bit of shopping, because this was like a few days before we had to go back. And honestly, I regret going to KFC. I miss Cape Town, so we're gonna have some KFC in remembrance. Yeah. The English is depleting because like look how expensive it is. For streetwise tours it's literally 100 rand, whereas in Cape Town it's like 30 rand. So it was like, what, can only the rich eat KFC? I don't know, that has to be studied. But mostly because I wanted to try some of their restaurants, because I didn't try Pizza Inn, Bakery Inn, Chicken Inn, all that type, and I wish I did for the experience. But next time we are hitting the stores for sure. Hello, I want to order. No fun order. Order bada napa. Okay. Natanga wa order. I don't know where surprise code. Mimi surprise ye nendo last week. Aiko ka. Unfunza yanishanda mu nendo last week. After ordering, my mom was like, girl, go get yourself some ice cream, because like I've been wanting to try the creamy in because it looked so good. And then I went, and the prices, I was like, but it was worth it because it's so good. The quality is immaculate, and like I loved how it wasn't too sweet. Even the syrup, because I was so scared. I was like, they're putting in so much syrup, like oh my god. And it was so good. It was not sweet at all. Anyone could eat it, even a kid. I felt like the sugar was so little and the balance was good. So this one was 40 rand, and that's crazy, but like I think it was worth it. And also overall the trip was low-key expensive because like it is in dollars. We spent about $100 each per person to come, so that was like 2,000 rand to go and come back, so that's 4,000 rand. And then food and things like that, most of the things start at like $20. It's not $1, which is like 20 rand. And so you'll spend a lot on transport and you just really need to budget. But this was the best trip ever. So we're gonna have some ice cream. The KFC tastes like the one in Cape Town, but a bit different in a way. And this ice cream is the best. I rated a 8 out of 10 or 7. Saying that the law mining is Nizara Korean. I just keep it real, everyone.
High volume. Am I really that?